Do you have a dash cam or surveillance system that uses microSD for saving all your video recordings, and all this time you think that you are using the right microSD card? So please stay tuned for which new microSD card that I use for my dash cam. Please stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Tech Station. It's great to see you all. I've been doing a couple dashcam review on my channel, and all this time I've been using the wrong microSD card to do all the recordings. And after a month of using on my 32 gig regular microSD card, it becomes all corrupted and I could not even record any more videos saved to that microSD card anymore. So I've been doing research and I went to Amazon and I found that I've been using the wrong microSD card for my dash cam. The ones that I should be using are the ones that stated Endurance. So if you are looking for a microSD card for your dash cam or surveillance system, please remember to get the ones that has the Endurance label on it. The reason why you need a microSD card that has an Endurance label on it is because your regular high-speed microSD card is designed for high-speed writing. One Endurance card, the longevity is equal to up to 25 times on a regular high-speed microSD card. These cards are designed for constant writing on your microSD card, writing over and over and over. So to protect your video data, it's best to get the cards that has the Endurance label. And the ones that has very good feedback and reliabilities are Samsung and SanDisk. I will be leaving links on the bottom of the description if you are interested, curious, or would like to learn more. Please feel free to check out. And this card does have its pros and cons, so please stay tuned for the pros and cons conclusion for these cards. And also, if you like the video, please
feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out.
For the pros and cons conclusion for these Endurance cards, let's go with the pros first. The first pros of these cards, it's really excellent value for the price. One card can withstand up to 25 times of your regular microSD card, so the value is really good. And then another pros of these cards, the write data longevity of these cards are really built to last long, because your dash cam and your surveillance system keeps on writing data on these cards. So these cards are designed to withstand constant write and write and write information in the card. So another pros for this card is it can outlast up to 25 times of your regular microSD cards. And another pro of this card, it can withstand extreme temperatures and environment. And it's also waterproof and can withstand the magnetic field of an MRI. And now is the cons for this microSD Endurance card. The first cons of this microSD card, it costs a bit more than your regular SD cards. And the last cons of this microSD cards, it has slow write speed compared to your fast write speed SD cards. But the writing speed is only up to 30 megabytes per second, but it's perfect for the specification of dashcam. So feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions about the microSD cards. And if you like the video, please support me by hitting that like button, which really supports the channel big time. If you like the video, please feel free to share the video to families and friends, which I'm greatly very appreciate. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Do you have a dash cam or home surveillance? Do you have a dash cam or surveillance system and you think that your existing microSD card is compatible? Do you have a dash cam or surveillance system and you think that your current microSD? Do you have a dash cam or surveillance system that uses microSD and you think that you are using the correct microSD? Ah!